Hey there, Nutritional Wednesday coming at you. I figured this week I'd give you a video as opposed to a post, and we're going to be talking about sodium. Sodium gets kind of a bad rap because it's found in a lot of processed foods and fast food chains as a preservative. That's because sodium retains water. It helps to keep those foods fresh, but it does the same thing in our body. So if you have carbs and sodium that coexist in your diet, both of those things retain water. That means that our blood pressure is going to increase. Think about it. If our blood volume goes up, but it's contained within the same space of your blood vessels, pressure is going to increase, right? That's just science. We run into problems when those two coexist. Now, if you're on a ketosis diet or a low-carb diet, you don't have to monitor sodium as much because that's the thing in our diet that retains our water and retains our electrolytes. Sodium is one of those essential electrolytes that we need, A, for muscular contraction in something called the sodium-potassium pump. So whether you're working out or breathing or if your heart's beating, I hope it is, sodium is being used. The other thing that our kidneys use it for is to regulate those fluid levels, right? Because it hangs onto water. That helps to balance hormones, to help with fluid regulation, and anything else that our body needs to do, like transport nutrients to the cell. I hope you found that helpful. Just a couple numbers to give you at the end. 2,300 milligrams is what we want to shoot for. 3,300 is what the average American consumes, so that's pretty high. Let's try to keep it down to that 2,300 mark, or if you have high blood pressure, the FDA recommends 1,500 milligrams of sodium per day. I hope that moving forward, you're able to see sodium as not just something on the back of a food label, but that's something you can actually use and know what it does within your body and why we need to monitor it. Thanks so much. I hope to see you all at boot camp tonight. Let's have a great rest of our Wednesday.